Shop Cat doesn't really like the Ryobi P747, do you, Shop Cat? But I like it. Okay, how long does it take for the little Ryobi P747 to inflate something like a raft or a pool? Well, let's find out. All right, it's pointed towards tires right now, so I can hit this on button again, so that it'll point towards the, it looks like an inflatable mattress. All right, now that it's pointed towards that, I can go over here and just hit start. You can see it all pumping up all around. It's going really fast. This is one of the reasons why I got the 747 instead of the smaller one. The smaller one's only like 10 or 20 bucks cheaper than the 747, and look at the huge difference. I do big truck tires and car tires with this thing. Uh-oh, I better quit. Woo! Look at that. Turns out this thing had a second layer down here, and it filled it up just as quickly as this top layer. And there's a little trick to these connectors here. They seem to have an inner piece and an outer piece. Put that inner piece in there, it's got like a one-way valve in it, and leave this outer piece open. Then this fits really snugly right down in there into this piece, and when you pull it out, the air don't come out, and then you can cap that off. So Ryobi 747 for the win again. Oh, and as far as battery usage, it was on 3 dots when we started. Yeah, it's still on 3 dots now. And this is an aftermarket battery, and they don't last quite as long as the Ryobi batteries, but they still last plenty of projects like this. Or actually, this wasn't even a project. This Ryobi turned this thing into just a small task. I still got the whole day ahead of me. And if you like that, you might want to click this link up here. There's a whole playlist of tips just like this. Or click this link down here, and that'll take you to my playlist full of car repairs.